When it comes to your skincare, I'd say here is the time to start nourishing from the inside out. So drink your water. You need the water, not just for your milk production, but to start the rejuvenating process of your body. So drink lots of water and sip it throughout the day. How you like your water is up to you. Some will like it with a slice of lemon, with cucumber, it's okay. But just learn to drink water throughout the day. For those of us who are non-vegetarians, bone broth works. It helps with the milk production, and it will also help with helping with that process. Types of soup, find the soups which work, but not your creamy soup. Try and make it as much as possible from your veggies, or if from your bones. So it can be your meat or your chicken. Find what works for you and what your palate likes during that season. Again, keep up with the simple steps. So you'll find different moms have different things. There are some who like showering in the morning, some at night, some both. So find out what is your routine. When it comes to relation also to the skincare, I'd say here, you don't stress much about it because your hormones are also trying to balance out. Because you have brought another human being to the world. So give your body time to settle down. But if you're going to step out, sunscreen is a must. Just do your cleanse and your moisturize, and your sunscreen is your stepping up. If you miss the night routine, it is okay. It is a season of being gentle to yourself. But start doing the healing process from the inside out. Balanced meal, do lots of veggies. If you're doing your meat, do lean meat. Find a way you space out your meals, so don't overfeed, but you spread out your meals and just nourish yourself and hydrate. Those are I would say the first 6-10 weeks, that should be your focus.